Tired of your phone dying when you need it most? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate power solution that charges an iPhone 6+ times. This isn't just any power bank. It's the portable charger you'll want by your side for every adventure, long commute, or busy workday. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, you can literally forget about searching for outlets for days, keeping multiple devices powered up effortlessly. What makes it truly smart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge speed every single time. Plus, featuring dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for you and a friend or your phone and tablet on the go. Anker is renowned for its superior quality and advanced charging tech, making this PowerCore 20,000 mAh incredibly reliable and efficient, far beyond generic alternatives. If you're looking for the best portable charger to buy, especially for travel or daily use, you absolutely need to check this out. The link is in the description below. It's sleek, durable, and delivers consistent, fast power, ensuring you're never left in the dark, no matter where life takes you. This truly is a must-have electronics gadget for anyone who demands dependable power on the go, offering peace of mind and unparalleled convenience. So for an exceptional portable charging experience in 2025, grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh today via our Amazon link.